Get ready for an electrifying event. We are thrilled to invite you to join Jovica from FLAST-AI consultant and nationally accredited mediator, along with Jacqui Griffin, lawyer in private practice from Facebook group Family Law Assist, for a groundbreaking showcase of the FLAST-AI system. Mark your calendars for the 11th of October. Join us at 7 p.m. online via Zoom. Be part of this revolutionary event where we unveil FLAST-AI, a state-of-the-art system set to revolutionize how we prepare case outlines for interim proceedings in the Family Court of Australia. What can you expect? Live demonstrations of FLAST-AI in action, insights into how AI is reshaping the legal process, expert advice from Jovica and Jacqui Griffin, and interactive Q&A sessions for all your burning questions. Who should attend? Legal professionals hungry for innovative solutions, family law practitioners aiming to boost efficiency, and anyone intrigued by the power of AI in law. Don't let this opportunity pass by. Register now and secure your spot. Check the registration link below. Spread the word. Share this event with your colleagues and friends in the legal field. Together, let's embrace the future of family law proceedings with FLAST-AI. For more information, reach out to either Jovica or Jacqui Griffin via FLAST.